Smartboardemergencyassistsystem, and my teammates are Prajul, Vishal, Nivika, and KSC. And my problem statement is: in modern classrooms, teaching heavily depends on Smartboard during unexpected power failures. Smartboard completely stops functioning, making it impossible for teachers to write or continue lessons. This interrupts the teaching process and causes loss of valuable time. Existing solutions like UPSC system are costly and not available in all classrooms. Therefore, there is a need for a low-cost hardware solution that enables writing, visibility, and stroke detection on smartboards during.
Coming to our topic, existing solution, we have UPS or inverter backup systems, and we are also solar power backup systems. We have the switching to traditional whiteboard, like explaining on the whiteboard. Also, pre-printed notes and offline teaching. The gaps in our existing solutions are these UPS systems are quite expensive, which cannot be affordable. And also, these are not available in rural areas or urban areas, and also not available in low budget schools. And this entire board must be powered for this process to continue. There is no low cost emergency rating support system, and also the teaching completely stops without the supply of power.
Good morning everyone. Let's come to proposed solution. We propose a single integrated hardware module mounted on the top of the smartboard, and first we detect the power failure automatically, and it activates the battery backup from the back end and provides a LED based surface illumination, and we use the IR sensors for reflection and with the strokes of the data. It allows the teachers to continue writing during the power failure also. Components required, we use the rechargeable lithium-ion battery with 12 volts battery, and battery charging module also production, and power cut detection circuit in the hardware device. We use LED source for the illumination, and we use IR sensors for the storing of data, and microcontroller is the brain of the module, and it controls all. We use the SD card module and flash memory. In the memory we can store the data, and voltage regulator, it supplies voltage and with correct for the LED and sensors also. After that, they stand for the board.
The project, the block diagram how it works. When the power is failure, Smartboard will get rid of power supply, and our sensor detect the power cut. When cutting off the power, our battery start activating, and it sends the signals to the microcontroller. Microcontroller sends signals to the LED lights and IR sensors, and automatically IR sensors and LED lights will get on. After getting on, we can store the data by writing on the acrylic sheet of our project, and we can store the data through the IR sensors.
In the smartboard, when there is a power cut, the battery will be activated first. Then the LED lights will be turned on. Then the sensors will be also activated. When we write on something on the board, the data will be stored in the battery.
And our Smartboard emergency system has a plan of action where we first we have the requirement analysis, where we gather all the requirements which are required for our project, and we design the systems, design module, and select the sensors and the batteries where we have to be connected. And the hardware development, we connect the LED and the microcontroller, and later we test the project that if the power has been failed, it will work or not. It will store the deduction, and the power performance will be tested, and the final implementation. In this, the module is connected. The module is implemented on the smartboard, and the classes will be continued.
Let's see the working model of this project. Power is off, and we have to start this board. After that, from the surface we can write, and these sensors we can able to store the data. This acrylic sheet is a use of acrylic sheet. The total internal reflection is more. That's why we use the acrylic sheet. From using this, we can able to see the entire class also. With this, we can able to use, and from let's say this acrylic sheet, without acrylic sheet we can't do anything. That's why we use the acrylic sheet. ఏం అర్థం చేయండి.
Charging.
This product is easy to implement and low cost and time efficient. Thank you.